Good morning and welcome to beautiful Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Today we're going to take a look at this gorgeous 2017 Sea Ray 400 Sundancer. This boat is lift kept, extremely well cared for. Custom red painted hull. Boat has the hydraulic swim platform. These are the stairs that connect you to the deck when it's down. Gourmet Station at the transom. Custom tie downs for a Yeti cooler. There are covers for the seats out here as well as a full sun cover. You have the Teak cockpit. Nice salon, neutral colors, dark woods, television, entertainment center. Because the boat is lift kept, they have a portable air conditioner so that there's no smells or mildew in this boat. Nice settee to starboard, full sun covers for the windows. Opening side windows, which was an option, and the joystick steering, which was also an option. Twin ray marines with AIS and backup camera, remote for the stereo at the helm. This is the 2 stateroom, 1 head version of the boat. Forward stateroom, large windows. This is your master, a ton of space in here, television, private access to the head, full-length mirror on the door, huge closets. There is your Teak cockpit table. Guest stateroom can be set up as singles, or as you see it here, set up as a queen bed. And that concludes our tour of this Sea Ray 400.